হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, আজকে আমরা শিখব ABCD। A A for apple, B B for ball, C C for cat, D D for dog, E E for elephant, F F for fish, G G for grapes, H H for hat, I for ice cream, J J for jug, K K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tree, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yak, Z for zebra,